All right, what's up, guys? I'm just going to do a quick little video doing an update. I'm going to try and make this less than 5 minutes so everyone has time to watch it. Not going into too much detail. So, first off, going to look at Bitcoin. I already kind of laid out my plan for what I think is going to happen. I think we've had a pretty good run so far after flipping our 36K buy zone, which was just perfect all the way up. So far from there, Bitcoin's up about 22%, give or take. This 44.2K levels like right by the high here on February 7th. Um, that's kind of the level I've been watching. Every time we wick above it, we fail. Been pretty choppy. I know last night we dumped, came back up, dumped again, came back up. So there's a lot of, it's difficult to catch those moves. It's kind of just pay attention to like 15-minute low time frame, 5-minute time frame. Use the asteroids belt to help you scalp. Let's wait for it to load here. Let's try the 15. Yeah, so things like this. I mean, it's pretty difficult. Like, okay, I'm gonna go long here, stop loss below here, targeting the belt, went right above it, came all the way back down. So it's still, you can just tell how choppy that is. That's just a BART. Anyone who doesn't know what that is, it's Bart Simpson's head price action, just up, down. Um, Now we're breaking this 44.2K. We just pumped to 44.4. The second I said this, high of 44.6. So also want it above 44.4, to be honest. That doesn't look great. Just choppy. We could just come back down again. So high time frame, what I'm paying attention to, guys, is this little plan I set up. Might not go exactly according to plan. But Monday's low, 41.6, I think is right. Was it here? Yeah. This yellow line that I marked. I'm pretty sure we either take that out or we bounce right off of it. I'm just like, I made this plan because I think we probably go a little bit low, but we don't take out the 41K low. That's conservative. Even after a run like this, you know, a regression back to 41K is still healthy, in my opinion. If we keep going higher, uh, we most certainly could. I hope we do eventually, but I'd rather, get rid of the longs a little bit, have people take profit, rebuild, give us a better chance at entry, and then let's break past that 45.5K level. As you can see, I put in the charts as well, 45.5K was the market structure break that we had on January 5th. So it was the low we had every time. If you had longed 45.5 every single time, we pumped all the way back to like 50K almost. 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically 5 times in this area where it was the low. And everyone thought we were going to go back up, but that wasn't the case. I still thought we would fill this wick at 41.7. Had that dark day, broke the downtrend, kept going back into this zone that I had from September. We ranged for a while, and then we took out this low to our gigalong entry, which honestly was fucking amazing. I took most of the profit here. Still have a very small portion of it running. We will see. So that's for Bitcoin. I don't want to make it too long. I'll go over ETH just because that was like the best trade ever as well, but sold a little too early. As you could tell, this was our original buy zone. We just dumped right through it, treated as resistance again, and then finally flipped it. This is what a flip looks like, guys, for anyone who doesn't really understand what I'm saying. So this is resistance. We come up, meet it, reject. This time we come up again, wick above, close right on it, and then we pumped right up to that 2800 level, which is our downtrend. Flirted with it for a second, inevitably rejected it, came back down. And this is a retest and a flip of resistance. So once resistance, now support, and then we just smashed through the downtrend and kept taking out these levels. Um, so yeah, hopefully that makes sense. Don't really want to make this video too long. I just want to go over some of the trades that we've been doing. So this is near. Oh yeah, I knew we were gonna fucking pump. I just didn't think we were gonna come back down here. I guess it was inevitable. But I do like that we are treating the 4-hour belt as support currently. I posted that trade to go long. There it is. So yeah, I closed it right around 12.60, but yeah, $13. Still looks good. Probably going way above all-time high throughout this year. If you guys look at price action from like January, February 2021, you'll see that like sushi was at like $2, uni was like $3, and all of them proceeded to do like 10x's by May. So hopefully we get the same thing again, just with some select few L1s. So Atom, Near, Phantom, chains that are actually providing real utility to the space. Really, all of course depends on Bitcoin. If we get back above 50K, we can finally see shit start running. But I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna sit in my hands. No reason to get super bullish all the way up here after a run like this, guys. Do not be like, I have to long. I have to long. If you haven't longed already, just sit on your hands, wait for a pullback. You will thank me later. Because how many days of green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of up only. So like I said, it's up 22% in those 5-6 days. That is not. Remember that we are still in a bear market. Essentially, we're down tremendously from all-time high. Still 44.4 is not great. It's really just where we were when we were all depressed over here a month ago. So let's wait for that 45.5. A plan like this would be okay. But even if it did go up here and we didn't get that pullback, comes up, retests the support, and then goes higher, that is where you long. You could long here, hoping it comes back up to retest this again. But like I said, this is the high of Monday's high, 44.6. Let's see that for a second, how it played out. Yes, that's Monday's high right there. And we just hit it and rejected. So probably a good short. I don't know. I'm not really interested in shorting after seeing how much we've pumped. You guys know I've attempted a couple times, even at like 41K. So done with that, you know, until we actually form a top, which we might be right now. Again, for those who don't have the asteroids belt, the link is in educational links, I believe. It's like $50 a month. It will make you a lot of money if you learn to use it correctly. You can just long every time it taps the belt, and it'll pay for itself in 5 minutes. So for those who are interested, the link is in there. He also includes comet coloring, which is this, how it's green, red, and showing momentum, and a few others. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, I did make a video on how to use them. Should be posted as well. So yeah, if you guys have any chart requests, I could do little quick videos like this. Hopefully it's better at understanding than me just typing out a chart. Any personal questions you guys have, trading strategy, make sure you book a call with me. Open availability. I know you guys are all in different time zones. If it's too difficult, the times that I've listed, then just DM me and we can make something work, man. I don't mind waking up at 2 a.m. or something, to help you guys out. So I'm usually up anyway. All right. So I'll end it here. Have a good day, guys. Any questions, let me know.